Contract analysis AI can be super helpful when embedded into virtual data rooms. Contract analysis AI has become really popular with legal and other teams doing reviews around M&A deals, but also financings, the type of transactions that happen on virtual data rooms all the time. And so the typical workflow is that a lawyer or banker or accountant will go to the virtual data room, they'll download or otherwise import the documents into a contract analysis AI, like Kira or some other system, and then review the documents and pass their clients a memo in Word or Excel form about what they found in the documents. But the documents tend very heavily to start in the virtual data room and then be downloaded from there. So virtual data room providers can gain and sort of offer value to their users by just embedding contract analysis AI right into the virtual data room itself. So not forcing people to pull the documents out of the virtual data room, but telling people inside the virtual data room, like, here are the different categories of documents. Since contract analysis AIs can tell you different document types, they can sort of automatically identify document types for documents. So that's like one really useful thing, and can also just help people make the folders in the virtual data room. But that's not all. They can also do things like automatically pick out data points like change of control, assignment, exclusivity, non-compete, most favored customer provisions, confidentiality, notice provisions, who the parties to agreements are, termination for convenience, all sorts of stuff that people who care about M&A deals care about finding in connection with M&A transactions. That can all be done automatically. Not perfectly accurate, but accurate enough that a majority of the world's top law firms use this technology on deals right now. So it's pretty good. And instead of having to pull that information into another system, a virtual data room can offer this functionality. And because it adds value for users, both on the sell side, but especially on the buy side, it offers the virtual data room an opportunity to kind of get some more money for access to this special feature. And so it adds value. It is something that can differentiate one virtual data room from another and has potential to get them more money and more usage. So embeddable contracts AI is something that every virtual data room should be exploring. If they're going to do it, it is possible to build this stuff yourself, but we've got a fair bit of experience in building contract analysis AI and building kind of the most heavily used contract analysis AI in our previous company. And we think you might get some value out of just looking at embeddable contract analysis AIs in addition to thinking about whether you should build your own, because you can kind of out of the box get a lot of what you need without having to build it yourself and be able to put in something that's very best in class right away, as opposed to kind of working very hard to build something that's unlikely to be as good.